Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sivan's Tech. And guys, today in this video I will show you how we can do the piping modeling with multiple specs. Like till now what we were doing all the piping with one spec, and we were trying to change completely because in piping run, because we will not get an option to change in piping feature. Let's suppose as if I select it then, and if I change it, definitely I will not get a chance to change the pipe run spec basically. Okay, so the point is we can that also, but the right way to model a pipe with multiple spec is, okay, I click here root pipe, I selected here 4C spec whatever it is, I took a 8-inch line, I selected a pipeline, here I give a temperature pressure, and then I just click OK. So whatever I need I will draw here. That's it. If I need to insert any component, I can import, just normal procedure, just for a quick review. Let's suppose I want a flange here, and let's suppose I want any valve here in this. So that all those things we can do. It's okay. And now if there is one flange, I want one flange to be in this specification. That's it. Okay. So there are two things I will do if there is a flange and if there is no flange. So if I go for the root pipe and if I just click here, so what is happening directly, this pipe is starting continuously to draw. If I root one more pipe, so what happened, the same pipe had got continued in the same specifications. So what we can do here is select here, give this point, but now I want a different spec. So I need to go to the properties, or just simple here go to the drop down, create new pipe run. It will ask us the specification. I give this one 5C this time, and if I say here okay, the same temperature pressure is here now applicable. We could have changed that also, and just now I say okay. That's it. So this is a different spec, and now in this specification we can continue our route whatever we want to place, any T, any pedal support, any valve if you want. Basically you can just continue in this spec. So now what has happened, there is two pipe run with the two different specifications. But now if it is a flange, so and you want to route a pipe, just click here. Once again it is again going with the same specification. So now go to the here new pipe run, give any different specification and say yes. As soon as I click here, the matching flange found it is giving because I did not place the flange. It's okay, that we can give just for your understanding. I just wanted to show you how we can model a pipe with the multiple specifications. So I hope this topic is clear to you guys, and if you still have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want to suggest any topic and want me to make any video on your suggested topic, let me know in the comment section guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.